Pizza originated in Italy and its modern form is credited to the city of Naples. The Margherita pizza, made with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and basil, is named after Queen Margherita of Savoy. The world's largest pizza was made in Rome, Italy in December 2012 and measured 1,261 square meters. Pizza delivery started in the United States in the 1930s with the creation of Lombardi's Pizzeria in New York City. The most expensive pizza in the world is the Louis XIII pizza, made with premium ingredients such as lobster, caviar, and truffles, and is sold at a price of around $2,400 per pie. Pepperoni is the most popular pizza topping in the United States, followed by sausage and mushrooms. The Hawaiian pizza, topped with pineapple and ham, was created in Canada, not Hawaii. The World Pizza Championships are held annually in different countries and include categories for acrobatics, fastest dough stretch, and largest dough toss. In Italy, it is customary to eat pizza with a fork and knife, rather than with your hands. National Pizza Day is celebrated on the 9th of February every year in the United States. Pizza became popular in the United States after returning soldiers from World War II brought their love of the dish back from Italy. In medieval times, pizzas were served in taverns and were considered to be a cheap, quick snack for the working class. The deep dish style of pizza, popular in Chicago, was created in the 1940s by a pizzeria called Pizzeria Uno. In some countries, pizza is served with unconventional toppings such as curry, egg, and corn. The traditional Neapolitan pizza is made with simple ingredients including tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, and dough. Pizza is a staple food for many cultures and has been adapted to fit local tastes and ingredients. In recent years, gluten-free and plant-based pizzas have become popular for those with dietary restrictions. Some pizzerias offer pizza by the slice options, allowing customers to try a variety of flavors without committing to a whole pie. In 1984, a pizza delivery man named Tom Monahan founded Domino's Pizza and grew it into one of the largest pizza chains in the world. Pizza is a beloved food around the world and has inspired countless debates and rivalries over who makes the best pie. Pizza has been mentioned in many popular movies, TV shows, and songs, further cementing its place in popular culture. The concept of pizza al taglio, pizza by the cut, is popular in Rome, where it is sold by weight and typically served as a snack on the go. In Italy, wood-fired ovens are traditionally used to cook pizzas, which results in a crispy crust and delicate flavor. In the United States, pizza chains have experimented with unique crust flavors, such as garlic butter and stuffed crusts. In some countries, pizza is served in a cone shape and is commonly eaten as a street food. The world record for the fastest pizza maker is held by Tony Gemignani of San Francisco, who can make 14 large pizzas in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. In 2009, a California man named Patrick Bertoletti set the world record for eating the most pizza in a single sitting, eating 41 pounds of pizza in 10 minutes. Pizza is a versatile food that can be enjoyed at any time of day, whether it's for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or as a late-night snack. Pizza has been a staple food for college students, families, and busy individuals, as it's easy to prepare, customize, and feed a crowd. The global pizza market was valued at over $130 billion in 2020 and is expected to continue growing in the coming years. Pizza has been the subject of various scientific studies, including its role in nutrition, food psychology, and cultural evolution. In Italy, pizza is typically served in round pie shape, but in other countries it can be found in square or rectangle shapes. The ancient Greeks and Romans ate a type of flatbread that is considered to be the precursor to modern pizza. In recent years, innovative pizza creations such as sushi pizza, mac and cheese pizza, and dessert pizzas have become popular. Pizza is a popular party food, as it can be easily ordered in large quantities and customized to meet the needs of different groups. Pizza has been a favorite food for athletes, as it is high in carbohydrates, which provide a quick source of energy. Pizza has been a source of inspiration for many entrepreneurs, with some starting their own pizzerias or food trucks specializing in pizza. Pizza has been a beloved food for generations and continues to be passed down from one family to another, with many families having their own secret recipes and traditions. In many countries, pizza has become a cultural icon and is often associated with youth, freedom, and good times. The popularity of pizza shows no signs of slowing down, and it continues to be one of the most beloved and versatile foods in the world.